So yeah, what's up guys? I hope you are absolutely good. I BORDIKAR welcoming you in this video and my channel. So finally our subscribers have started reacting on our videos and started commenting on our videos. So one of my subscriber told me on my WhatsApp that how to create YouTube videos thumbnails very professionally. So I thought let's make up some of the videos. This tutorial will be there in many parts, not in one part. So first part will be how to create YouTube thumbnails for the piano tutorials. So there are many YouTube channels like Sikho Saral and Bolly piano which make an awesome tutorials for piano. So they have their awesome thumbnails also. So let's make the awesome thumbnails like them. So let's begin with the video. Yes, so we are back on our tutorial and we are back on our mobile screen. So first we are going to show the 4 apps which are used to make the tutorial video. So first is the camera, second is the background eraser, third one is Pixel Lab, and fourth one is PixArt. Pixel Lab and PixArt we can use anyone. So let's begin with the tutorial. So first we are going to click on the camera, which will click the photo of our piano. So click on the camera and yes, you can see my piano with the plain sheet as a background. So why you need a plane as a background, you will be seeing after the next part. So as you can see, I have clicked my photo and now I'll be exiting the app. So I'll go on my second app, which is my background eraser. Click on load a photo and I will click my photo which I have taken from my camera, and I will be cropping which the name or the watermark of my camera, so which will be not very difficult for editing purpose. So now here comes the main part of editing the photo, as I have shown in the last video of my second channel, which is the how to make mascot logos. So in that I have shown how to use this app. So first we are going to go on the auto and then we will clean up all the background part. So now let's move there on to auto and then we will click on the red part which will be removed like this. So for this reason I was telling you that why to use a plain background. So yes, my other views are just done and now I'll be moving my cursor for a perfect editing. See, now the full my photo is done, something is left. Yes, so now my photo editing is completed. I will do my smooth edges 2, 3, 4 or 5 as per your need and I will save my photo. So my piano PNG is now yes in a lead and I have completed and we are going to search on our BORDIKAR tutorial, as I am going to start my piano tutorial with only this song. So this video, so my piano tutorials are also going to come, so stay tuned with the video. So first we will download the photos which are useful for our editing purpose of the thumbnail. So we will click on this, means we can use any one, any two, any three. So in this I am going to use 2 images. So now my third part is also completed and now I will go on my fourth part, which is my Pixel Lab part. So now we are going to go on my Pixel Lab, which is the best editing for the YouTube thumbnails. Yes, so I will delete this new text and I will go on this double squares. Now we will click on the custom and then we will click on the YouTube thumbnail. So I will get the perfect ratio of the YouTube thumbnail. I will click on OK and yes, I got my image size. Now my second part is going to be on the overlay, which is in the middle, and I will import my piano photo. Yes, so I am going to go on the import button and I'll go on the images and on the eraser part, and I will click on this photo and I will crop little to get the perfect one. Yes, so as you can see, I have done with my first photo, and I will change the background color with the black or yellow or white. So you can see it over here that the black is not looking very good, so I will change my color with the yellow. And yes, my background is changed, and now I will stop my commentary and you see the editing and good music. So I'll stop my commentary and you see the video. See that how perfectly it looks, seem like Sikho Saral. So I have made it as good as possible. You can still edit in the part as I am showing in as a tutorial, so I will not show it at a good. So now you can see my piano videos thumbnail is ready. So this was the video. I hope you have enjoyed the video and learned something from the video. If you have learned something from the video, if you have seen this video till the end, then I will be thinking that you have liked this video. So don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. And the one and only thing is, comment section is empty. Go and comment your comments. I will be seeing your questions. I will be answering in the Q&A video. If the questions will be more, then I will be making the Q&A video. So question as fast as possible and comment as more as possible and win chance to get in my video. And the another part is to comment me on that you want my second part on my third part. The second part is going to be on the vlogging videos thumbnails. So you can see that this was the video, and let's meet in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.